Hey guys, my last video wasn't that good. Doing some tricks and ollies. I'm going to focus this one just strictly on ollies. Remember, I'm on wood, so... And I'm not really good at ollies. I'm not an ollie person, so... Here's that one. I don't know, but... maybe. Oh, well. That was an ollie, but I didn't land it. I messed up. Can't stay on the board. I don't know why it's turning sideways. Probably when I watch this video over, I don't know why. I guess I put more pressure, I guess. This is oh yeah, getting away from the camera. I just feel like I'm a manual. Bad manual. Good manual. Trying to feel bad. Where's the coffee? Let me see. Oh, what? Coffee. It's in my bag. That was my mom. Now I'm gonna try a 360. Not really a decent. I call it a 180 manual. That's what I call it. Almost. So you gotta keep going. It really isn't a smooth surface. The next video I do at the lake, it'll look better. Yep. Till next time at the lake. Love rip sticking. Do it well.